So I just came across GitHub Copilot, and it's like having a coding buddy who's always ready to help out, right?
Totally. It's fascinating how it can suggest code as you type, but I wonder how it really understands context.
Exactly, it's almost like it's reading your mind. But hold on, how does it handle complex projects where context is crucial?
That's a good point. I think it may struggle sometimes with nuanced logic or intricate algorithms. It's not perfect.
Right, so is it a tool for beginners or just a nice crutch for experienced coders?
I see it as a blend. Beginners can learn faster, but pros can also speed up their workflow. It's like a double-edged sword.
Exactly, but doesn't that assume everyone will use it effectively? What if it creates dependency?
Good point. There's potential for over-reliance, and then you might lose some fundamental coding skills.
Yeah, that's a bit concerning. Speaking of skills, have you seen GitHub Spark? It's aimed at building intelligent apps.
Oh, that's interesting. What's the twist? How does it differ from Copilot?
It's more about deploying whole applications, not just snippets of code. It's like moving from playing with Legos to building a whole city.
I love that analogy, but what about integration? How seamlessly does it fit with existing workflows?
That's where it gets tricky. You need to consider the learning curve and if teams are ready for such a shift.
For sure. And how about GitHub Advanced Security? It's all about vulnerabilities, right?
Yes, it's like having a security guard at the door, but do you think it can actually keep up with evolving threats?
That's the challenge. Cybersecurity is always a step ahead, so it's crucial for tools to be adaptable.
So does that mean it's more of a reactive tool rather than proactive?
Exactly. It detects issues but may not predict them. It's like fixing leaks instead of preventing them.
That's such a relatable metaphor. What about GitHub Actions for automating workflows? That seems game-changing.
For sure, it's like setting your coffee maker to brew while you sleep. But does it really save that much time?
Well, it depends on the complexity of the tasks. Some workflows may benefit while others might not.
Good point. And how do developers know which tasks to automate without losing sight of the bigger picture?
Exactly, it can be a slippery slope into overcomplicating things. Balance is key.
Right? And what about code spaces? Instant dev environments sound amazing, but are they really that efficient?
They are, but I wonder if they take away from the learning experience of setting up your own environment.
That's true. It's like giving someone a finished puzzle instead of letting them piece it together.
And there's the risk of developers not knowing the ins and outs of their tools.
Exactly. It's like knowing how to drive a car but not understanding how it works under the hood.
Wow, what a thought. So all these tools really push the boundaries of coding, both positively and negatively.
Absolutely, the implications are huge. It's fascinating, but we need to be cautious.
Totally, it feels like we're navigating a double-edged sword here with all this automation.
For sure, it's a balancing act between efficiency and maintaining fundamental skills.
And what do you think the future looks like? More automation or a return to basics?
That's tough. Maybe a hybrid approach where we utilize tools without losing foundational skills.
I like that it's about integration rather than replacement, kind of a symbiotic relationship.
Exactly. So what's the takeaway from all these tools?
I think it's that technology can enhance our capabilities, but we must remain vigilant about our skills.
Absolutely. And maybe we should all be a bit more curious about how these tools work.
Right? Like understanding the underlying logic behind AI assistance could make us better developers.
For sure, this is such an exciting time for tech, but it's also a time for critical thinking.
Totally, it excites me and makes me a little anxious at the same time.
Same here, but if we stay curious and informed, we'll be in a good spot.
Absolutely, it's all about navigating the balance between innovation and understanding.
And that's what makes these discussions so valuable.
Exactly, like who knew coding could lead us into such deep waters.
Right? Let's keep diving into these topics. There's so much to uncover.
Count me in, I can't wait to see where tech takes us next.
Me too. It's going to be quite the journey.